There's a dangerous fish here. You need to send rescue immediately.
Please stay calm. We'll be there right away.
Emergency! We've got a new case. We must move out immediately.
That giant fish is dangerous. We must capture it now.
All units proceed to Sector 4 immediately. Armed suspect on the loose. All teams, move out now. We have confirmation at the target building. Go, 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 go! The cabin is clear. Move quickly now. Yes, understood. We are approaching the platform. Stop right there! Do not move these vehicles any further! Down there! A giant catfish just attacked my dog! Thank you, sir. Stay calm. We'll handle it now. He is unit. All units, prepare the equipment now! Aim steady. Fire! Go! Quickly! Hold on tight to the rope! Slow down, bring it down. Watch the ropes. Easy now, easy. Okay, set it down.
Untie the knot near the hook first. Gently now. It's very slimy. And careful with the tail.
What on earth is that? Look! It's a dog. Is it still alive? It's all right, little one. You're safe now.
He is very cold. We should get him warm.
Secure the hook properly.
It's done. Ready for the lift. Lift slowly. Bring it towards the truck now. Lower it carefully. Easy now, easy!
Okay, touchdown confirmed. Well done. Inserting the fluid now.
Did you see that twitch?
Okay, drop the load now.
Confirmed. Dropping the load. Keep clear below.
It's all right, little one. Almost clean now.
You did so well. We'll get you dry.
He really likes the water, doesn't he? Yes, look at that happy face.
You are a good boy, yes you are.
Almost dry now, little one.
Heartbeat is slow but steady.
Good, good. Let's clean that paw now.
Is the pressure stable now?
Yes, it looks normal. The dog is fine.
There you go, little fella. It's all right now.
The flow rate is good.
Good. He should be all right.
Here you go, drink up.
Slowly, slowly. You're all right.
Here you go, little one. Eat up.
He seems much better now.
The dog is completely healthy again. You can take him home.
Thank you so much, officer.